Your city is very open, and this kind of collaboration and openness is very important for us. We have the impression that this is the city we would like to work with. This is the city, a city where we like to learn.
这几天，世界市长对话上海及2025年上海国际友好城市合作论坛活动正在持续进行中。今天我跟随意大利博洛尼亚市政府代表团一行来到同济大学设计创意学院，在这里，中意双方又将碰撞出什么样的火花呢？
We are here to learn. This is my 6th time in 2 years. The more I come here, the more I feel we can learn each other. For instance, in Italy we are very good in tradition. You are here, you are very good in innovation. And I think tradition and innovation can and have worked together. We need to learn from you about innovation and how to match this innovation with culture, with daily life. What we like to bring home is start exchanges between students, between artists, and really letting people from Bologna come here, inviting people from the city to go to it. We can put together our young generation and decide together which are the fields where we can cooperate more.